Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can apply a transparent text or adjust the opacity of texts in your website projects on Webflow Website Builder. So let us dive into this. So head over to your site project in the Webflow Website Designer, navigate to the page and to the text or text box. Let us skip all of this and dive into the customization, text customization. So what you want to do is select the given text box. I will go with this heading here, heading 1. Here to the right, click into the Style tab. And there are two ways how you can adjust the transparency or opacity of the given text. What you want to do is expand the Typography tab here for option number 1. Next, click into the color, the current color here, and choose a color for your text. So what you want to do is, for example, I don't know, I will go with red in this case here, and as you can see, that's the hex color code here. And you can, if you click into the color box here, you can change the hex color code, use the color picker, or use that menu here or the slider below to find your preferred color. Now below you will see that slider here, so you may adjust the color opacity. And if I move it to the left, as you can see, the text will increasingly fade like this and become almost invisible or transparent. So that's option number 1. Let me restore the 100% opacity and show you option number 2. To do that, close the Typography tab here and expand the Effects tab. And here you will see the same opacity slider. So you may use that one as well without the color settings, or enter the opacity percent here to the right, and you will see the same effect applied here in the preview. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some vibe from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.